Korkeakatu 4 in Lahti.
Vittu! Korkeakatu 4. Oh! It's an Otis 2000 VF. Built in 1997, V1 and 2179. 8 persons or 600 kilograms. My first Otis 2000 VF. And this one's again. Yep, what? Yeah. Nice ceiling. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Nice green button. Yeah. And it's hot once again. Yep. But not as hot as the tietotalo in Lahti.
Oh, here's Sandra. It's plastic.
Yeah.
And it looks like metal, but this is metal. This is also plastic. And the buttons are also plastic.
But they are good film.
Yeah. It's some kind of metal. Handrail is metal.
Yeah.
The roof is also metal, I think. Yep.
Inspected by and maintained by Kern.
Finnish elevator 06 is completely like reviewing the elevator. Can I press the button here?
Oh, and the door close button.
What?
Oh, and I door close button.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yep. Many residential buildings don't have it.
Yeah. It's good, bad thing.
Yep.